All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Packers winners jersey winner's choice number 3. So we'll check the time, May 12th at 10:07 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. We have May 12th at 10:07 p.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Dwayne. Spot 9 is your winner. So, Dwayne, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 12th, 10:08 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.